so welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make sweet somas. This is also called sweet patties, a very famous recipe in the Sri Lankan cuisine. A very crispy and delicious tea time snack. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. To this add 2 tablespoons of semolina or suji, half teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of oil. This is regular cooking oil. Give it a nice mix with your hand. The oil and the salt should be well spread. After mixing, it should look something like breadcrumbs. Now we have it right, so go ahead and add little water at a time and start to knead. We're looking for a chapathi dough consistency, so add water accordingly. I've added around 3/4 cup of water, but this varies according to the maida you use. Now we have a perfect dough. Let this rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the stuffing. To a bowl, I've taken 1 cup of grated coconut. To this, add 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1/4 cup of powdered roasted Bengal gram. Mix it well. All the ingredients should combine well. If you like cardamom flavor, you can also add a pinch of powdered cardamom along with this. It's completely optional. Now stuffing is ready, so let's get back to the dough. The dough is nice and soft now. Give it a quick knead and pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Give it a slight press and place it on your rolling board and spread it like this. Make a circular cut using a lid, or you can use any mold for this purpose. Now place a teaspoon of stuffing in the center. Fold it this way and seal it with your hands. Now let's give it a firm seal using a fork. This helps to seal it better and also makes a beautiful design, so don't skip this step. You can run around twice to make sure the stuffing doesn't come out while frying. Now it's ready to get fried. Likewise, make all the patties and keep it ready. Now let's go and fry them. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. To this add the patties. Don't overcrowd. 2 to 3 at a time should be good. Keep the flame in medium and let this fry for 4 to 5 minutes. In between, flip the sides. Fry until you get nice and crispy sweet somas or sweet patties. Make sure to keep the flame in medium, else you will get nice golden color soon, but the patties will not be crispy. It's been 5 minutes and the sweet patties is nicely done. It has a very beautiful golden color, so let's now remove them. Now a delicious sweet somas or sweet patties is ready to serve. Enjoy this nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious, crispy and unique snack recipe. So do try the sweet somas or sweet patties recipe in your home and write back to me a feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.